You searched how to buy shares of BUUU Group Ltd. BUUU Group Ltd. is a publicly listed company on NASDAQ under the ticker BUUU, and this video gives a neutral, educational overview. This content is for learning purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the typical steps. After signing up, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BUUU to find the company listing. Confirm you select the correct NASDAQ entry for BUUU Group Ltd. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for BUUU. Check the details to confirm this is the correct asset before proceeding. Tap, buy, or trade, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the instruction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before finalizing the purchase. After the order executes, your position will appear in the portfolio section of the platform. For the link used in this demo, check the video description below.